Looking for ways to make money without spending a dime? Well, you're in luck because today I'm sharing 7 simple methods to help you earn extra cash for free. Let's dive right in. First up, online surveys. Companies value your opinion and are willing to pay for it. Sign up with platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research. Complete surveys and earn points or cash in your spare time. Next, cashback and rewards apps. Earn money while shopping through apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey. Get cashback on your everyday purchases and special deals effortlessly. Have unused items lying around? Sell them on eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Declutter your space and make some quick cash by listing items like clothes, electronics, and furniture. Interested in affiliate marketing? Sign up with Amazon Associates or Share a Sale, promote products through your referral links, and earn a commission on sales made through your efforts. You can also make money by testing websites and apps. Platforms like User Testing and Try My UI pay you to provide feedback on user interfaces. It's a great way to earn while sharing your insights. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, or coding, consider freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients seeking your services. Build your reputation and get paid for your expertise. To sum it up, you can earn money for free through online surveys, cashback apps, selling unused items, affiliate marketing, website testing, and freelancing. And here's a bonus tip. Sign up for multiple platforms to maximize your earnings. Experiment with different methods, track your progress, and optimize your strategies. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-making tips. Comment below with your favorite method or any questions you have. So there you have it, 7 simple ways to make extra cash for free. Start implementing these methods today and watch your earnings grow. Thanks for watching.